What's good? What's good? What's good? Good morning, my money-making friends. It's your boy Jdun Trades with Team Bull Trading. I hope you're all having a blessed Thursday, baby. It is Fresh Money Thursday. Let's go. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's good? What's good? Let's go share here. Boom. Okay. Just like that. Tickety, talkety, talkety, tick. We're going to make some money today by just a simple click. What's up, RT, Devo, Corey, Pink, Keith Smith, Jack Gordon, Hangman? What's good, everybody? Gringo. Jeff, what's up, guys? Doing vocal warm-ups after that video. Dude, I edited that video, and I didn't realize I posted the unedited one. How funny is that? I was like, at this point, I'm not even going to go delete it because it's funny. You guys got a real life glimpse of when I be effing up saying saying things. I'm like, fuck. Oh, it makes me so mad when I'm recording those. So mad. I'm glad you guys all enjoyed it because that was not supposed to go up. And it's still up. I'm going to leave it up because it's funny, but oh, man. It was not supposed to be for the public eye. That's pretty hilarious. I didn't even know until I seen comments. People were like, uh-oh, Jdun's mad at 1:30. So funny. Let's get this TikTok live started too. All right, let's get this started too. Good morning. This live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Let's get to the money, baby. Let's get to the money. We still DOD. Good morning, DODers. We got the fresh banana today too. We got the fresh banana today too. I love me a nice banana in the morning. So fire. Let me get our music going.
Good morning.
What's up, bro?
What's up?
How you doing this morning, man?
Good. How'd the day go yesterday? But whatever you...
The mentorship with the high school kids?
Yeah.
Oh, it was great. I put them on game. How was your evening / afternoon?
It was good. The market has settled a bit. Ready for some fast action like we had on Monday, Tuesday.
Those longs ended up paying, bro. I knew they would. Gene actually got on the live shortly after I left. He got a nice winner.
As always, you had a couple of nice winners yesterday as well. Share my screen.
Banana boy in the house. All right, so for today, I have to see what they give us. I don't really have a lot of movement pre-market. No real trend pre-market. I'd still, as far as larger time frames go, like to see us build above this 25,200. This has been our big resistance area. So as far as a higher time frame move to the upside goes, that's it. Okay. 35. Cash out. What the hell? Oh, here we go. I'm so excited to get back to doing cardio and moving. I never thought I'd say that. Never thought I'd say that. Knees slowly getting better. Slowly getting better. It's not perfect yet. It's been about a week since I cracked it last Friday. I feel like trading my personal account today. I'm gonna do it. I'm in support of that. As long as it's for the right reasons. Jdun, I'm sorry. I didn't follow my DOD yesterday, and I'm so ashamed of myself. I'm sorry that happened, bro. I'm glad that you're willing to come and say it in chat, but I'm disappointed too, man. You can't let that happen. Never again. It only takes one day every month, one day every 2 months to give back weeks of progress, months of progress. Dude, one day and I've lost everything since I made since last Wednesday, pit in my stomach, bro. It happens, man. Today's a new day. You don't try to make it back. You don't try to double your size. You come in and actually you do the opposite. You lower your size and you focus on getting your confidence back. That's what you do. That's the winning strategy long term. Dun, 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 dun. Today is the last day of Apex's 90% off, guys. If you've been looking to stack up 90 accounts, tomorrow's CPI too. Tomorrow's CPI, Apex is 90% off. It's a match made in heaven, some would say. Some might say it's a match made in heaven. Tomorrow's like National Eval Day with CPI. Usually. It doesn't work every time, but it works a lot of the times. Is anyone celebrating National Eval Day tomorrow? National Pasture Eval Day tomorrow? Do I have any celebrators? Yep. Let's go. The CPI is usually the best day to do it. Because it's CPI. I made up that it's. I made up that it's actually National Pasture Eval Day. Let's go to Jdun trades. All right. Let's get back to green today. I did make that up by myself. Are you proud of me? I made it up all by myself. We're not super far from pre-market high and low, which is good. Some of the past few days, we've been extremely far, so it hasn't given us any opportunities at those levels. But today, we're not that far, so hopefully we can get something really nice. What's the goal? I had a great dinner last night, too. Steak and sweet potatoes. There's honestly, I genuinely do not think there's a more elite combo. A nice medium rare steak and some nicely cooked, baked sweet potato. I don't think it gets better. I think that's peak performance for dinner, especially when you don't have dairy or gluten. Like, I'm Mr. Boring. I don't get to have any of the fun stuff. I mean, I don't do butter, but I would, if it was grass fed and grass finished, I wouldn't die if I ate it. I just don't do well with any processed dairy at all. What do I do? What is my service? I do a few things. Sometimes they call me Paydun. Sometimes they call me Gaydun. Sometimes they call me Jacob. Sometimes they call me Mr. DOD. It really just depends on who you ask, honestly. You can tell them they're all right. Was good, Alexis? Damn, I'm jealous you're in Japan. I've been telling Gene literally every day for months I wanted to go ski in Japan. Every day for months, I would do anything to bring just pack up my life and go to Japan for like 2 weeks. I always tell them they're going to think Godzilla's there. So I'm 6'7". I'm going to go in there and be like, oh my God, Godzilla's here. That's awesome. I enjoy Japan. That's super sick. I've heard they had great snow this year too. Colorado, we did not have good snow. We had the worst. Colorado had horrible snow this year. Terrible. Doesn't the flight typically a day? Yeah, a lot of those places you travel have like 16, 20 hours of travel time at least. I'm in Denver, so we have DIA, which connects to a lot of airports, but I'd go to Alaska too, for sure. For sure, I'd go to Alaska. My grandma always rants and raves about Alaska. That's what I like about trading is that you can pick up your laptop and just go do it. I prefer trading from home. I prefer being at home base and having my computer set up and having everything in one piece, but it's definitely possible. If you want to live that life, you can, which is a cool possibility and cool opportunity that we get as traders. You're at the Air Force Academy. That's cool. It's literally right up the road. I'm like 25, 30 minutes from Air Force Academy. It's dope. I was at work trading on my phone as well. I'm down. I'm literally down. Don't tempt me. I haven't been on vacation for a minute. I'm actually going to Turks and Caicos here soon. Thought about going to the Maldives too. Maybe we'll just add Japan to the arsenal. Why not? I just moved to Denver. From Florida 3 weeks ago. Welcome. You escaped the humidity. I mean, there's definitely pros to being in Florida for sure. You got water. You got alligators. You won't find an alligator here. I'm signing up for my first Apex account. Should I do intraday, trail, or end of day? End of day for sure. That was the big thing that people didn't like before with Apex is it was only intraday drawdown. Well, now they have end of day drawdown plans and no denied payouts, which people really like. I've done 16 14ers. I'm trying to get up to like 22 maybe this summer. If I could do 4 to 6, maybe more, but just a whole process. And done 16 of them. That's my thing. Is I like in my spare time I like going on massive hikes alone. I've only done 1 or 2 with other people. I've done 2 of them with other people, friends that could hang. I got long legs, so it's kind of tough for people to keep up. Yeah, that's my deal. I like doing massive hikes. My favorite hike that I've ever done, as far as 14ers is probably Mount of the Holy Cross. It's super hard. It's like 13 miles and treacherous, but it's freaking amazing. If you ever want to look up some cool views, look up Peak of Mount of the Holy Cross. Tough. Mount of the Holy. Yeah, it's tough. We don't. No, I don't. I don't sell courses on this stream. You can use code Jdun though. You can use code Jdun on your funding. Today is the last day. Good night. Enjoy Japan. Today is the last day of Apex's 90% off sale using code Jdun. Go tap in. It's CPI tomorrow on Apex. 90% off ends. It's poetic. The script writers couldn't have written it better. The writers couldn't have written it better, guys. It's the last day of Apex, 90% off. And it's CPI tomorrow. All the stars are aligning. Everything's falling into place. You got one chance, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted. You gonna catch it or just let it slip? So, Apex to market, or M&M to. I got the stop loss set and ready. Word it's gonna hit it. I'm puking out mom's spaghetti. He's nervous. He looks primed and ready to get funded. I got to make a rap out of that. That would be hilarious. City server, how dare you leave our YouTube fam? Where you been? Oh, Gene's here. Oh, nice backpack. The leather? Oh, I've never seen it. Thank you, bro. I've never seen you have that ever. Am I still sitting cash heavy? I am the most cash heavy I've ever been. I need to figure out what to do with it. Any of y'all want to take it off my hands? I guess one of y'all can take it off my hands. I spill water on myself. The high school event was great yesterday. It was awesome. The kids loved it. You know what's funny is one of the kids messaged me after. I posted it on my personal IG story if any of you saw that. He goes, "Yo, it's the kid you talked to at Epic. Hey, thank you so much for the input today. We're going to rip a lot of what you talked about. Again, if I can ever tag along for one of your workouts or lunch breaks just to yap, I'd kill for it. Just let me know. Can tell you know your stuff, and it's not every day that I find an info entrepreneur that's not a complete dumb donkey." To not curse. I'm like, well, there is a lot of info entrepreneurs that are something. All right, guys, we got 2 minutes till open. Got 2 minutes till open. So, Mr. Gene, how'd Asia go?
Good.
You had that one trade that went up like 20 or 25 points, then break even?
Yep.
Nice. Nice. All right, guys. Where's everyone checking in from this morning? Where are y'all trading with me from this morning? I always like to ask. Chicago, Mexico City. That's where Gene is.
Where?
Mexico City. Tennessee, Cincinnati, Croatia. Parker, that's dope. CO Springs. I like the Lucid Pros, not the Lucid Flexes. Lucid Pros are better in my opinion. Medellin, Colombia, Denver in the house, and market is open, baby. All right, we got the whole world in the house, and everyone coming together for one mission: to choose DOD, trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused. Let's get it, everybody. This is your reminder to choose discipline today. Trade smart, trade safe, follow your plan, and make today a day where you don't take any stupid trades. Make today a day where you don't, or where you implement DBAI. Don't be an idiot. Choose God, stay focused. That's right. It's a great plan. Choose DOD. That is a wonderful plan. There we go. Okay. All right. We have not entered a trade yet, guys. The market's been open for about 40 seconds. So I'm still just going to be waiting. I'm waiting for us to get an A+ setup and get to some movement. I'm in no rush. Yesterday's trade ended up banging. I knew that was going to freaking rip. I knew it. Stopped me out at that 25,000, but if I would have had more time yesterday, oh man. Would have been a nuker. It's all right. Gene came in and saved the day. Caught a banger. All right. Let's get our option chain pulled up in case we decide to throw it back and rip some options. I wish, like they have now, back when I was consistently trading options for years, I wish they would have had the same expiration dates as they do with a lot of the Mag 7 individual names now. So now you have expirations 3 days a week instead of just one every week. Pretty sick. What's up, Gene? What? I'd love some, sure. Yeah, I forgot about that yesterday. As a reminder, guys, we have CPI tomorrow. Tomorrow is National Pass Your Eval Day, if you know what I am saying. And we also have Apex 90% off ending today. You guys can use code Jdun. Get a 50K trade of a end-of-day drawdown account for only $35. It's a steal. It's a steal. Take your next trade with me, or you can wait till CPI tomorrow and rip it to pass your eval. Jeez Louise, look at that move down. I feel like this 25,000 is going to be a pain. Feel like this 25,000 is not gonna be easy on us. I could be wrong. I don't think I will be though. I feel like it's going to be tough. It's not going to want to break, which is not very kind of it and giving us our trend. It's not very nice, 25,000. It's been so long since I traded. Well, welcome back. Yeah, let's see what we have for data this morning as well. I need to look at that. We have wholesale inventories at 10 a.m. And then tomorrow we have CPI. Tomorrow we have a few things. We have CPI in the morning at 8:30. And then we have factory orders and consumer sentiment at 10. So, could be something. Thanks, bro. And we got pay done in the house because our coffee is here. Thanks to the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Gene. Yeah, we might need to call in Grandma soon. We should trade at the office again soon. Gene, tomorrow? Should we trade at the office? Should we have an office reunion? We haven't done it in like a month or two. Trade live with all the students at the office. What you looking at today, Grizzly Glock? You see anything you like? You seen No. You're looking for them shorts, huh?
Yeah, I was thinking about shorting this. It's so early.
Just like short at like 60 with stops at high a day. It's 40 points, not bad. I don't think it's a terrible idea. Damn, Gene, your Astros got mollywopped. They're horrible. I think Rockies might be coming out on top this year. We might be on. Don't call it a comeback. We're going to sweep the whole sports world. Nuggets are taking it home. Avalanche are for sure taking it home. Rockies might be the comeback kid. Take a championship, and then don't sleep on my Broncos next year. We might have a 4 sweep. All 4 sports. Coming home to Nas Daddy. Of course, the office is used as a nice tax deduction. Heck yeah. I just realized I had Tesla on my other screen share screen. I didn't mean to. Gotta get my levels up.
I was gonna try some shorts and close that candle was ripped down yesterday. I'm gonna start some shorts here, everyone. M&Q shorts. Stops at high day, so leave room to add if we push up.
All right. Ambitious. I like it.
The reason this pit stop us out early in the morning, but the setup was great. We swept pre-market and Asia high. Rejected. I usually wait the first 15 minutes on my typical trade, but I don't want to miss out if we move down here. Watch it just rip up straight to my stop.
Actually, if it was later in the day, I wouldn't mind a piece of shorts in the pre-market high test too.
I added to my position there. I'm not adding anymore. It could hit the stop here. If it does, at least I gave it a go. I'd love to see the demand down here around pre-market low for our final price target. My average is now in the 60s. Low 60s, but 60. I have to keep my stop up here. This candle high here, 15-minute range high. If you want to tighten your stop up some, you can keep it with a 5-minute close above this 83. Not looking good though. Both these candles did exactly what I wanted while we got in this trade. Don't you do it. And hit it. All right. Ready?
Don't let it sleep up and then go. Yeah, that's why I don't trade the first 15 minutes, man. It just literally always does some bullshit to me. Always.
Used to, that was where the money was.
Yep.
You know, get some nice trades. Now it's just had to try it. I apologize for the loss.
Yeah, I just blew all my accounts I've ever had. I'm just playing.
this week, the highs would go. We have one more setup I like. Honestly, if we get a high volume candle for trend above pre-market high, but we only have room 160. Does me dirty here.
That 15-minute range, and I feel like it's going to move up. Maybe not. I don't know. What do I know?
He's just going to rip down and mess with me here.
As a reminder, guys, stay patient, trade smart, trade safe. Anyone know why car is halted? I don't really trade halts. That was Dumpster's thing. Dumpster would always be trading the halts. R.I.P. the legend. R.I.P. the legend Dumpster. I miss that man. No trades for me yet, guys. Just waiting. Trading smart, trading safe, staying patient, choosing DOD. Just waiting, guys. Doing something that 95% of people won't do. The Dumpster passed years ago, man.
It could be, what, 3 years?
Yep. On May 8th. Yep. Or May 7th, technically, but that was the worst, bro. Literally waking up on my birthday to that news. That sucked. That sucked. And your birthday.
Yeah.
So you have the same birthday. Our birthday is a month from yesterday, bro. What are you going to do?
Guess I'm going to be 35, whether I like it or not. Look at this, man. Know what it's going to do.
That's frustrating. I feel you, bro.
You could push up there. I mean, why didn't you push up and stop me out and push back down? The setup was there. Looked great. Then boom.
We'll see if we respect pre-market low or not. Pre-market high. Excuse me. We didn't really have any volume confirmation that we would, so it's just kind of 50-50. Or
Push down to Asia
Right at that 50%. Yep.
Put that higher volume. Just gonna have to get rid of it though.
Pre-market high is not messed up in my chart.
I believe it might be, Jdun. There's something happened
Well,
with TradingView this morning.
maybe it is.
I'll check it out.
Oh wait, actually, yeah, it should be up here at this final candle at 83. It is. You're right. I'm wrong.
The last 5-minute candle made a new high right before market open.
Yeah.
For some reason, it didn't update. I'll look into it.
We'll just mark it out ourselves then. No biggie. Go old school.
It'll probably fix itself. TradingView does that sometimes, but if not, I'll look into it. It'll be fixed.
We'll go ahead and take that off. Pre-market high. Watch it go to low a day.
Dude. I'd rather go up at this point instead of do what I wanted after it barely stopped me out.
Oh no.
It's gonna do it. I just hate that.
I've been there, bro. Reverse orb technically is valid. Oh man. Oh no! Don't
I
let.
don't know why did that candle have to wake up there before selling on up? It don't make sense. There was just nothing.
Nothing up there.
There's nothing up there. Unless it just wanted to touch that 25,100 3 times in a row.
25,100. Looking cute.
I don't mind taking that L. I just probably be round up the trade and lost me up by.
If we go right back to that same price action in the range that we saw before, now that we're back in the range, I swear. We're right in the middle of that range again. Right in the middle. So, oh boy, hopefully we don't go back to that price action. But if we do, we will deal with it.
Could get the orb strategy. The downside. Well, this candle. Price target on this trade was pretty much at low zone. If we get the
No bueno. Good morning, everybody. All right, here's the deal, folks. Two things. For one, we have Apex 90% off ending. Oh boy, Grizzly's gonna be pissed today. You can use code Jdun for that discount. Buy up to 20 accounts. And for two, if y'all want to be included in a lucid trading giveaway, I'm sorry, Grizzly.
stop me up at 10 points. Literally 10 points on the NQ.
If you guys want to be included in a lucid trading giveaway, I got more accounts to give y'all, but y'all got to scratch my back too. Here's the deal. On YouTube, I need y'all to get to 500 thumbs up on this video. 500 thumbs up on this live. You guys got 360 more to go. You guys get to 500, you're included. TikTok, you guys get to 110,000 likes. If you guys tap that screen over and over, there's 600 of y'all. If each of you guys tap for like 2 minutes, get them fingers moving, you'll be there. TikTok, y'all want to get in? 110K likes. YouTube, 500 thumbs up. Come on, baby. Let's see what you got. Come on now. Lucid giveaway at those land markers. Or those like markers, I should say. Rip. Low a day.
Anyway, that's a nice looking candle there. White looks good. For sure to get like a 40. Sprouted public. Point of control view up. Is it too risky to try shorts at 40, 50 area?
VWAP area.
Okay, reject here, point of control. Yeah.
I don't like that we're right at 25,000. That's my problem. I don't mind 50 area. 50 the stops at like 80. 40, 50 stops at 80.
75. You must stop at 75.
Yeah. I like that. Unless we just die prior.
Point of control is front.
I wouldn't mind catching a nice short like that. If you guys are in Colorado and you want to come trade live with me at the office tomorrow, send me a DM on Discord. Got 10 spots. Come trade with me live in person in the flesh. And I'm just saying, knock on wood, we've never had a red day. Never, ever, ever had a red day trading live together in person. Just saying. It's never happened. Not to say it can't happen, but it hasn't happened. I don't like that we're bouncing 25,000, but I'm open to, I guess, trying a short if we move up. So it's going to do the same BS it used to do in this range.
See what the volume's going to be in this candle before I entered shorts. I thought it may be a high volume green candle.
I just worry about 25,000.
News in 2 minutes.
Yeah, we have wholesale inventories or whatever. Yep. Yeah, I appreciate y'all being here. If you're on TikTok, as a reminder, I take every trade I take. Every trade I take is live with you guys every day. All you got to do to tap in daily is hit that follow button in the top left corner. And as I said before, if you want a free Lucid account, get this live to 110K likes. Tap that screen over and over. YouTube, same deal. Y'all get to 500 thumbs up. Y'all get a giveaway too. You guys are halfway there at 260. Over 1,000 of y'all here. You could be here immediately. You could be to that like goal like that.
What did you say we had dropping now?
Wholesale inventory. Yeah. It worries me in the zone.
That candle worries me.
It's lower volume, but still a potential reversal candle at 25,000. Now we have enough time in the day. Let's go. What the heck? Okay, there we go. I wish we had higher volume to the downside on this 15-minute chart.
Once you get the higher volume here, right at this 25,000.
Yeah, that's what worries me. That is indeed what worries me. Back in this range again. We escaped and had some amazing price action for like a week.
Monday and Tuesday was the best price action I've seen in a while. Perfect. Ideal trading conditions.
I know. That was great.
$4,040 was it.
Yep. If you guys want to join live trading tomorrow in person, of course, I'll still be on the live stream. If you guys want to join live trading in person, DM me on Discord. Let's see. Am I short? No. Well, yes, in real life I am. I'm like 5'3", but in the market, no, I'm not in any positions right now. Just have to wait and see what they give us. Just have to wait and see what they give us on this 5-minute chart. I am the short king in all ways. What do you think, Grizzly? I think we're going to catch a trend entry, or are we going to do some BS and just range? Bro, hype mod, definitely one at the New York Stock Exchange. Try the shorts up here, guys. Try the shorts. Let move up. Stops at the candle high. Might get cooked if we're back in this range BS, but I did try the shorts up there. This is the entry area, everybody. If you missed it, this is the area I like. If we end up ranging back and forth, then I will take an L in this first trade. Stops at 75. I'd like to see down to the 20s to take any off. So far, so good. Come on. Come on. Low 20s. I want to see low 20s to take any off. You can manage how you see fit, but I want to see low 20s or break of 20. I'm gonna move my stops down to like 56, so it's gonna be just above break even, so slightly red. If we go back up, yeah, I entered short. You didn't hear me? I entered at 50.
No, I wasn't listening to that.
Oh, yep, entered at 50 or around 50. I guess some people probably got a better fill, some people probably got a worse fill. But I put my stops down at the high of that candle, so it'll be slightly red trade if we get stopped. I have not taken anything off. Nothing.
Looking for low day, like 25,005 or something.
At least below 20, man. At least move below 20. I'd like to see us break this 15-minute range.
Maybe this candle gives me a short entry.
We're at about 1-to-1 right now, guys. All right, I'm taking a little off in these low 20s, guys, at 22 around here. I just trimmed it. Trimmed on this move down. Stops are still the same at 57. I'd like to see low of day, a break of this, but I don't trust this range and price action, so I just took a little off at 1-to-1. Stops are still at, hard stops are at 57. I'd like to see us move down to low a day. We're above 1-to-1 though, so if you've been struggling to find confidence, whatever it may be, you can. This is 1-to-1, guys, down here. I'd like to see a low a day. I'd love to see us move below this 25,000, but I don't trust this range we've been in. I don't trust being close to 25,000, so we're going to guarantee this is a green trade. Let me go ahead and put my stops at 50. 50, yeah, there we go, 50. Come on, push it down. What? I take that back. We're riding with 50. High that candle. 57. Final decision. Let's see, that will be green trade regardless. See if we can get this to low a day. If it goes back up above that candle high, I'll stop out. But I'd like to see this go low a day. I'd love to see this go down to 25,000. Love to see it go. There we go. See if we can get more. Come on. Let's go, guys. At like 1.5 R right now. I'm taking a little more off down here at 25,000, everybody. Stop still the same. Stop still at 57. Let's go. Come on. Stop still the same, everybody. If you want to put them at break even, I will not blame you. I think that spot would be around like 50. Let's go. Come on. Let's see if we can get more. We got the low day. We got my first price target, or my main price target. I'd like to see us flush 25,000, but I'm not super confident we will. Why did you take this? You're such a good trader. Yeah, I know. BPA and DOD is the GOAT. Let's go. Let's see if we can get more out of this, folks. Past my Lucid funded. Let's go. Using code Jdun pays. I'm telling y'all, real ones only. Told you I was going to get you guys right. Let's see if we can get this break below 25,000. I'm still in, guys. I have my stops at 50. So stops are at break even. I'm going to let this ride. It's either going to stop me out in the rest or it's going to ride down. It's exactly what I wanted to see. Exactly what I wanted to see, guys. Let's go. Past my eval. Love you. I love you more. Yeah, 50 points. 40, 50 points, depending on where you entered. With a max of like 25 points of risk, that's good. It's a 2-hour trade. Let's just let this cook now, guys. Hopefully it doesn't go up to 50 and stop us. Knowing this market, it probably will. But I'm happy with what we got. Past three. Past three counts. 50 points. Almost no drawdown. Minimal drawdown. Real quick, we need some positive energy on the Thursday, baby. I want to see W's in the chat. Just W's. If you guys made money on that, took that with me, type W. Where's the W's in the chat, baby? Come on. I want to see W's in the chat if you guys took that trade. W's in the chat, baby. W's in the chat, baby. How many of y'all took that trade? Let's go, let's go, let's go. W. We want the dubs. The W's left, the W's right. Let's go, baby. Come on. Told you I got your back. Come on. Let's see. NQ. Nope. Still in this trade. Stops are at 50. Still in this trade, everybody. Still in this trade. You just lost your wife and kids? Why? Was she mad that you made too much money? Sorry. Told you guys, you scratch my back, I'll scratch yours. Go get your guys' Apex account. They're 90% off. They have end of day drawdown using code Jdun. Let's go. to the TikTok. The Apex link's in my bio. If you click on my profile picture and click it again, you'll see where you can get funded. You guys have 50K more likes to go. Come on, there's 600 plus of y'all in here. There's no excuse. We caught a winning trade that's still running. In the meantime, while we're letting this play out, tap that screen over and over. Get them likes moving, baby. Come on. Here's the deal, folks. You want to enter into a Lucid giveaway. I have 5 more accounts in my bank to give away. I use none of these for myself. I buy my own accounts, and I give the accounts they give to me away to you guys. Tag me in the post your gain section if you guys took that trade. I'm going to pick at least 2 winners from the post your gain section. I got 5 accounts from Lucid to give away. And right now, too, if you're trading with Lucid, you can get your first 5 accounts for 40% off using code Jdun. I like their Lucid Pros. Still in this trade, guys. Remainder of my stops are at break even at 50. Which looks like a great stop loss based on that last candle. We got a confirmation candle here. We have a great entry. Now we're just going to let it ride. We're just going to let it ride, baby. If you want to enter the Lucid giveaway, tag me and post your gains. You know I read all your comments too. We're at 2R right now. I'd love to see us break down this 25,000. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's go. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Oh my gosh, 60 points. 60 points so far. Can we get spicy trade? Can we get spicy? Can we get that pre-market low? Can we get that pre-market low, everybody? Give me the spicy. Give me this spicy trade, baby. We want the spicy trade, baby. Come on. Told y'all Paydon's got your back. First winning day on the Lucids. I got you. I'm telling y'all, they're going to see people coming in using code Jdun. That's our code. And becoming liabilities for them. Appreciate y'all's support more than you know. Come on, give us the spicy. Give us pre-market low. I'm still in this trade, guys. Remainder stops are at break even. I'm not trailing my stops down. Not to say that you need to make your own decision for yourself. But that's how I'm managing it. I'm not trailing my stops down and leaving the remainder of my stops at break even. Again, you manage how you see best for your trading system. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You guys already know what time it is, baby. We got the bad news bears in the house. Let's go. They tried to come in and say, longs, Jdun longs. I said, hell no. Give me the bad news bears, baby. 70 points so far and moving. Let's go. They can't stop the bad news bears. They don't know what's coming. They don't know what they ignited. They try to stop us with the range. They can't. When you ignite the back shot bear, I'm the back shot bear. You can't stop what you started. So they better just sit down, relax, and get ready to get mopped every day by the best trading stream that they've ever imagined. Let's go. Come on. I'm done playing with these dudes. What do I scream? Because I get excited. I like seeing y'all win. I'm sorry that I like seeing my friends make money. My apologies. My apologies that I like seeing you guys learn to make money. Sorry. I can't help myself. Come on. Patience, guys. Let it cook. I'm letting this cook. Thanks, White. Yeah, 70 points so far. Not bad. We'll take it. I love seeing my friends make money. Yo, don't chase it, guys. Don't chase it. I will tell you guys this every single day until eternity. There's no need, even like, okay, I see some of you guys in chat saying that you got wicked out, you didn't take the trade, you mismanaged it. There's no reason to have FOMO because this setup's going to come again and again and again. This is an A+ high probability setup. That's why we took it. So even if you missed or mismanaged this one, it's okay, guys. There's no need to feel sad or feel bad or feel down on yourself. We're going to have this setup come over and over again. You're going to have more lower highs and higher lows. You're going to have these retests up where you can take this again. It's not the end of the world. But what will be the end of your trading world is if you go on a revenge, if you start tilt trading, and if you blow yourself up. So don't be too hard on yourself. It's one trade. Who cares? Learn from it. Acknowledge the fact that you mismanaged it, that you missed it, that things didn't go how you wanted them to, and do better next time. That's it. It ain't that deep. No need to have FOMO. I know we get hyped up and we have fun, but like there's always people who mismanage or don't do well or whatever you want to call it. And to anyone who's in that space, to anyone who's in that mindset right now, it's all good. You're going to catch the next one. So learn from today. Learn from what went wrong. Learn from what you missed. Build confidence from today. It ain't that deep. It's just one trade. Tomorrow is CPI, guys. It's also the last day. Apex 90% off. Ends tonight. So you guys know what that means. You can get up to 20 accounts at 90% off. It's only $35 for a trade of 8, 50K end of day account. You can use code Jdun. Only real ones use code Jdun. It supports the stream, supports your boy, and I'll always do my best to help you guys. Lucid does require, any prop firm requires DOD. Every prop firm does. Every single one. There's no prop firm that doesn't require DOD if you guys want to get paid out and get paid out consistently. I recommend the 50K Lucid Pro if you're trading with Lucid. It's 1 day pass. Come on. Give us a hold down trend. Was down 600 on this trade, broke even on the day. Nice. Broke even. We'll take it. Sometimes it will take you to bump your head a few times to finally trust Jdun and stick by DOD. I got your best interest at heart always, baby. Always. Forever and always. Gene, you want to come take over quick? I got all my stop set, chilling. Oh, I'll be right back. What's up, Alex? Taking trades?
Yeah.
Short with me?
No. Hello, compas. Hola, compas. Hey, don't start, Tyler. I'll put you in timeout. What's up? What's my start? I'm done trading. I closed my computer. Yeah, we are. FDO, FT. First day out, bitch. Fuck the feds. I caught the shorts off the open, and then I went short again, and then I went long. Yeah, I made like 1,800 on 3 of my Apex fundeds. So, pretty good.
Come on. Push it down. Final price target, pre-market low.
Really?
Yep.
What was your entry?
Bro, I entered like 50.
What?
Still holding my life. You guys want to see my knee? Look at my freaking stitches. You guys see that?
Really?
Look at my
Why does it look like that?
What? It's supposed to. It's just like dried blood.
No, but it looks like it's like a patch of skin just in the middle.
I know.
Looks mad weird.
No, it's all inflamed.
Don't touch it.
Why?
Because your hands are probably dirty.
Look at
Your
that.
hands pretty touchy. You're going to get infected.
Come on! Final price target, almost 100 points.
Bro said why?
Almost 100 points, baby. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. The final price target's down at 950. I'll probably leave one runner after that, because why not? The one that just won't quit. Did anyone hold this trade down to here? Is anyone still in this? If you follow the plan that I did, then you're still in. But I actually would rather you follow your own plan. And I genuinely mean that. I genuinely mean that. I'd rather you follow your own plan than follow me. Nice job, Jeff. Nice, nice, nice. The problem is I have no discipline, and the only person that helps me is you. Well, I'm glad that I help you. But you can develop that for yourself, bro. You know that you can. You've seen glimpses of it. I always tell people you can stop breaking your trading rules today. Like there's nothing holding you to having to continue breaking your trading rules over and over. You can change that pattern today. You don't have to wait till tomorrow. You could never revenge trade ever again. You have that ability. You just have to believe in yourself and commit it to yourself. And it's not easy. It's not just, oh, I'll never revenge trade again. Then everything's daisies and roses and everything's perfect. But you have the ability to say, I'm never going to revenge trade again. I'm never going to take a stupid trade again. And you'll get tested over and over again When you lose a trade and you get frustrated, when emotions get high, when you have a bad day and you want to make that bad day better by trading. All of those different instances will prepare you and test you to becoming a more disciplined version of yourself. Let's get 950, baby. Come on. Nice job, Psycho Crusader. Almost 100 points. Do you guys understand why I took that trade? That's what I care about most. While we're letting this play out, I actually, you know what? I am going to move my stops here to like 25,015. Sorry. I just wanted to update you guys. Now I can stop focusing on my execution screen. All right. So you see in the first 15-minute range, we have the blue line up here marks our 15-minute high. This marks our 15-minute low. Now, as we move down that range, we have an aggressive 5-minute candle that tests low of day and closes with higher volume. So when we see that aggressive candle right there, at that point, I'm going to hide this so I can chart. At that point, I use my Fibonacci retracement tool and mark out the 50% retracement to 0.618% retracement of that to look for a lower high entry where we're going to move up, find that lower high in here, and then try to capitalize on this downtrend. But in case it doesn't work out, that's where you put your stops at that candle high right there to manage your risk. You always need to make sure your risk is managed before you take the trade. So I know that if I enter around 50, I keep my stops at around 75. That's 25-ish points of risk, 25, 30, 20 points, around that area of risk, 20 to 30 points, let's call it. And ideally on this, you're going to shoot for a minimum of 1R, ideally up to 2 to 3R. So we see this aggressive 5-minute candle, full body, with rising volume going in a downtrend direction. We take the retracement 50% of that candle, put our stops above the candle high, and we try to ride that down. And that's exactly what we do today, and it pays us. From the if you didn't sell anything, which, that's not how I would manage it, but just for example's sake, right now at this point, you would have a 3.6R trade. You risked 25. Let's just say there's 25 to make 86, to make 90. And that's a solid R multiple you can repeat over and over. You can have less than a 50% win rate and be profitable with that. That's why I took that trade, guys. That's what I liked there. We saw that coming before it happened. I told you guys I was preparing to take that on the way up. Obviously, I can't do that every time, but I do my best to make sure you guys are always prepared when it comes to entries that we see. We were planning that entry when we were down here, when we hadn't even gone up there yet. Here's the deal. I got 5 Lucid accounts to give away. I'm going to pick 2 from the post your gains. And I'll give one of you guys, for the other 3 accounts, I'll pick 3 different people who tag me on their Instagram story with their profits from today. If you guys made money, Tag me at Jdun Trades on IG with your profits. Show the world what we're doing on a day-to-day basis. Show everyone around you how we're rocking. Go tag me on your IG stories. I'll pick at the end of this live stream. Nice job, White. Let's go. Jdun Trades on Instagram. Tag me in your IG story. Should show some love anyway, baby. Come on. I scratch your back. You scratch mine. I'm giving you guys all 5 Lucid accounts I have. Jdun Trades on IG. I will also repost you. Let's see if we can get at least 20 tags. Come on. Almost a 100-point winning trade. Got 90 points out of that. Tag me on IG with your gains and maybe some nice words about DOD. Let's go. Nice job, White. I love seeing it, bro. Hey, and you know what tomorrow is? Tomorrow I'm trading at the office with students. So you guys already know what the track record is there. Let's get the momentum flowing early for what we know is coming tomorrow, baby. Yeah, screenshot those gains and tag me on your Instagram story. Jdun Trades. I'm giving away 3 Lucid accounts. I'll pick 3 of you guys to win. Come on, almost 100 points, baby. Almost 100 points. The runners that won't give up. Yep. Show goes on tomorrow. Order filled. That was a good one, too. I'll start fooling y'all with the order fills. Don't make me get on that. Yo, Grizzly, you still here, bro? Bro went MIA on us. Come on, y'all. Tag me in your IG story at Jdun Trades. I want to give y'all accounts. I'll repost you too.
What's up, man?
I was just seeing how you're doing, bro. I hadn't heard from you in like 20 minutes.
Good. I ended up taking shorts after you did. I took them right here though. After the retest orb short entry confirmed.
Nice. How many points you get?
I'm still in this.
Oh, nice. What was your entry?
0, 11, 25, 0.
Oh, nice. So you're up nice.
Yeah. You can see on my chart, we had high volume candle and Rizology confirmed, so I entered. It was actually supposed to be like 10 something.
Dude, Grizzly, so I posted a YouTube trade recap yesterday.
Yeah.
And I edited it as usual, but I accidentally attached the version I didn't edit. And it had a video of me. It was I was in it stuttering and I yelled, "Fuck!" I was so mad as I kept stuttering.
That's hilarious.
I literally didn't mean to post that one. I only knew because people started commenting. They're like, "Oh, this is hilarious." I'm like, "What's so funny?" And I realized, oh crap, I attached the wrong one. I attached the unedited one, and people were loving it. I didn't delete it.
Quickly though. That could have went bad quickly.
I know. I'm like, don't let your kids watch that. I got so mad. I kept stuttering, bro. So if you want to go watch me yell and get mad, it's it's a good trade recap in there too.
If I had higher volume, I might try it long this year. I close up my shorts and go long, but I don't have the volume, so I'm just gonna keep my stop loss. Are you still in that trade, Jada?
I am. I have
Not above this 25,000.
I have my stops at 25,015. I mean, honestly, I was just really trying to catch if there was, for some reason, we had some massive downtrend. I was really just trying to catch the whole move.
I'm gonna be surprised to see a nice move down today with everything going on. Oil where it is. I'm still in this trade.
I posted that video if any of y'all want to laugh later. I need each and every one of you guys who made money on that to go tag me in your IG story. I'm giving away 3 Lucid accounts. Tag me with your gains, maybe some nice words, some DOD. Some people say, oh, I don't want people to think I'm flexing, bro. Everyone who's watching your story should be happy for you. If someone gets mad at you for posting your progress, that's not a real friend. Your friend should want to see you win. Your friend should send you clapping emoji and say, damn, that's awesome. How do you do that? How do you learn? You say you choose DOD, baby. That's how. Piece of me, piece of my. Come on. You tell them to watch it on live trading. That's what. Yeah. As a reminder, too, guys, if you're in Colorado and you want to trade live with me tomorrow, I got to check my DMs, but I got 10 spots to join live trading in person. I got a computer for you. I got a desk for you. All you got to do is bring yourself. All you got to do is bring a winning attitude. And please don't be a serial killer. But if you're going to kill me, then at least just let me catch a banger for the squad first. I'm taking DOD to the grave, baby. Just don't be weird. That's all. Just be chill. Just be chill with it. Good vibes only. Keep the vibes high. Can I fly you out to Colorado? Just come out, bro. I'll try to make your flight back with a winning trade. Wait, don't shoot. Must hit a banger first. Then you can shoot. Guys, at least let me get to 30 and become Unk, and then you do what you got to do. Yeah, no Jeffrey Dahmers. I'm not yummy. Please do not eat me. Have a contest and fly a winner out. That'd actually be pretty cool. That'd be dope. On Lucid Flex evals, does it matter on winning days how much is long? Yes, so Lucid Flex, there's consistency. There's 50% consistency, so it's a 2-day pass. That's why I like the Lucid Pros. One v one tourney winner gets a Lucid. Bro, I will literally play any of you guys 1v1 in basketball, and I will give away no accounts because none of you are taking me 1v1. It's just not happening. And I say that with the most respect and disrespect possible. Ain't none of y'all crossing me up 1v1. It's not happening. Forget about it. You might have your best chance right now because I'm on a damaged knee, but even now with stitches in my knee, I'll still cook. Don't get it twisted. Gene says you won't cook me. Bro, I'm going straight to the paint. Straight to the paint on you, my guy. Gene says he's going to take out my knee. That's not cool. I'm 5'11" and cooking you? Nah. Nope. Not happening. Taking all that 6'7". That could be interpreted way wrong. The Lucid Pro account, funded account, is the best account in proper. People love the Lucid Pro. Honestly, it's been really popular since we partnered with Lucid. That's been their most popular account people have gotten is the 50K Pro. And your first 5 accounts are 40% off with code Jdun. There's no activation fee either. There's no activation fee either. I just posted the link for the Lucid Pro if you guys want to get in. If you guys want to go get yourself an account for CPI tomorrow. I do like the Pro over the Flex. I do. Because I like 1-day passes. I don't want to spend time on an eval. Am I allowed to bring a Lakers jersey to the office? Never.
Or Raiders jersey.
You can wear Raiders jersey, though.
No.
Gene says no. What a great trade, guys. Almost 100 points. I'm kind of stuck on what I want the Nuggets to do because right now we're in third. But at this point, we're going to play the Timberwolves, and we have a problem with the Timberwolves. Ant-Man is a beast. Don't sleep on Ant-Man. We always have a problem with the Timberwolves. I'd honestly rather us tank and get the Lakers. Y'all don't got Luka or Austin Reeves. You're cooked. Or the Rockets. I mean, we're taking both the Lakers and Rockets with sweeps. Timberwolves, going to be tough. But at the same time, if we tank to 4 or 5, then we win the first round, we'll get the Thunder, and that is no bueno. I think we have a much better chance versus the Spurs than the Thunder. I'm going to give my respect to Houston because I love Kevin Durant. He's one of the top 3 players I've ever watched in person. I've watched a lot of players. Kevin Durant's top 3. He's just so fun, and he just chirps. He talks the whole game. It's hilarious. Bro really is one of the last people in the league who's truly ball his life. Dude just loves basketball. It's hilarious. Bro just loves basketball. Yeah, KD's fun. Anthony Edwards is fun to watch. Obviously, but blessed to get to watch Jokic all the time. He's just insane. Dude, it's out here looking like he hates basketball and putting up triple doubles every game. It's crazy. Who else is fun? I have sat courtside quite a few times. Been blessed to do that for sure. That's how I like to spend my money. I like going to watch basketball up close. As a reminder, guys, I'm giving away 3 Lucid accounts to Instagram story posters who tag me in their Instagram story at Jdun Trades. I also got 2 more accounts I'm giving away to the post your gain section. All the accounts they give me, I give away. I buy my own accounts to trade. Any free accounts I get, I give to y'all. We have beat the Spurs. Yep, I have 3 Lucid Pro evals to give away and 2 Lucid Flexes. Getting my first payout since September. Really grateful. Let's go, Tony. To enter another trade? No. Should probably take this off so people don't think I'm going to trade. It's only $8.50. Damn. That's crazy. Let's see. Let's go, baby. Or reject. I'm probably done for the day. We'll see. But I'm more of a one and done type of guy. Y'all correct me. I know I'm getting a payout today. I already know this is about to plummet. Just make sure your risk is managed. I wouldn't fully count on it to plummet. Just be careful. Let's go. I see all y'all tagging me in your Instagram story. I'm reposting y'all. I'm going to pick 3 of you guys to win Lucid accounts. Let's go. Let's go. Don, don, da, don, don. Let's go. I'm going to be on for at least 30 more minutes. Well, not at least. I'll probably get off. I'll do our giveaways. And I'll probably get off around the same time, around like 9:30 Mountain Time. Enter with 3 minis instead of 3 micros. Oh, no. Ruh-roh. Ruh-roh. Missed your fill by a point. Sorry. Gene, how's your morning, bro?
Good.
You make money?
I got like 1,800 on 3 Apex weapons.
Damn.
I just requested that payout. Waiting for them to approve.
You're waiting for what?
Them to give me my payout.
Another payout?
Yeah.
With Apex?
No.
With who?
FF.
Oh, FFF. Nice.
1,900 after profit split.
Damn, my boy. Feasting. That story if you want to.
Alright. I gotta head out early today, everyone.
Where you going?
Shave and haircut.
You got a haircut?
Gotta go get a shave.
Nice.
And this market's just, the way it's moving, it moves enough to stop out entries I would typically take. Like,
Yeah, she's been a little tricky. A little sneaky little snake she's been.
next train later today. Go live, see what happens. I get back in time.
Yeah? Whew. Well, it's been a pleasure trading with you as always. Got my DOD cup, my espresso. Potential, actually, no, it's not a 2-bar because we don't have the trend. We have a potential continuation candle here. We also touched point of control and BWAP. Interesting. Very interesting. You guys can still enter the giveaway on Instagram if you tag me on your story with your gains at Jdun Trades. I'm going to pick the post your gains winners first, and you guys have until 9:30 to tag me on your story, which I appreciate regardless. Appreciate you spreading the love, spreading our mission. DODs for everybody. Just tap into that gap. Hey, you're welcome, LMH. Do I have a class every single day? I trade live, Polio. All you got to do is hit that follow button, bro. Welcome. If you hit that follow button in the top left corner, I trade live every day on TikTok. I help a lot of people make a lot of money. And you can also, I appreciate the follows, Andres, Luis, Victor. You can also join the YouTube, Jdun Trades. I'm live there every day too. You get my full screen share. You can watch me chart for 100% free. Your payouts? Gene's payouts are approved, baby. Let's go. If you guys haven't tried, or if you've been looking to get back into Apex, they have end-of-day drawdown accounts now, everybody. And 90% off ends tonight. We have officially 12 hours left of 90% off. And we have CPI tomorrow, just saying. Don't know. Let's see, folks. How do payouts work with Apex? You follow the rules, you get paid. It's 5 days to pay out. They are still my #1 prop firm. Tradeify and Lucid are pretty much tied at second. I like both. They both have great things about them. I'm a big fan of what Lucid's been doing. Their pro accounts are incredible. Tradeify Select accounts are incredible. So those two are tied at second. But Apex is still my baby. Especially with their end-of-day drawdown plans. That was a game changer. Just signed up for Apex. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Let's see if we end up moving up or if we're going to make a intraday and lower high here. Right now, if you're from low to high, we're right at that 50% retracement. So if we were going to reject, this would be the area. However, I'm not fully convinced on it quite yet. Oh, man. Let's see what we get here, folks. Because it's different, bro. If you bought old accounts, they have the old rules. DCHF said, Jdun, quick question. Sorry, new here and learning. How many ticks should I put for my stop loss Something I should know, but still a little confused. I don't go by ticks. I go by points. I typically like a 20 to 30 point stop loss, but sometimes in this market I've gone higher with less overall size, like up to 50 points. Yep, 90% off, ends in 12 hours. I'm kind of confused on the Lucid rules for funded. Is there a buffer on the Lucid? Let's go back here. On the Lucid pros for funded, you have to reach the payout threshold. And then, well, same with the flex too. There's no consistency on the flex though. There's a scaling plan. You have 5 days to pay out, 4 minis max with the max loss limit of 2,000. And you get 5 payouts to live. On the Lucid Pro, you have a $500 payout profit target, max loss of 2,000. Daily loss limit is 1,200 below initial trail, 1 day to pass eval, and then there's no activation fee. Pretty solid. The Pro, I recommend you get the Pro. It's only $111 after discount. Not bad. Yeah, I won't add any more firms. I got all of our partners that we'll ever have. Unless like someone crazy came in with the best reputation and best value for traders, I'm good on that. Dun, dun. Let's go. The streak. Part of the game. You got to be more patient. That's right. You're gosh dang right. Whoever took those high risk longs, I seen some of you, one of you in chat that did. I didn't take it or call it or even talk about it, but I seen someone in chat. There you go, Wizard. A lot of those continuation candles will print. Like when you guys see us have a strong reversal and then this isn't a 2-bar, but because there's no trend. But when you guys see continuation here, you look at the 50% retracement of that, especially when it lines up with key levels like you see here with VWAP and point of control. You have all these factors come in. You find that higher low, put your stops below that trend-setting candle low. That's a great strategy that you can implement, and you'll see a lot of success with more than likely, at least in terms of managing risk. Like 20 points of risk there to what's it at now? It's up like 45. That's a beautiful looking trade right there. That's why I like keeping point of control and view up on my chart. It's helped my confidence a lot. It's helped my confidence significantly. Oh man. Woo! My target. I'm not in this trade. I was just marking it out. I should probably take this off. I was just trying to show you what I would have been looking for with a continuation setup like this. I like when you guys can see potential setups even after the fact, so you guys learn from them and become confident in catching the next one. There's only a certain amount of trades you should be taking each day, or a certain amount of setups, I should say. Just bought my first Apex account. Thanks, Jdun. Thank you, bro. Let's go. Let's go, Hulk. Appreciate you, bro. Bless me with the lucid. I got you some winning trades, bro. If you tag me in your IG story, you'll have a chance. I'm giving away 3 of those accounts. Don't, looks like I'm on my knees again. Where is your boot camp located? What are requirements to qualify? I don't have a boot camp, but I have a lot of free education across the internet. We're gonna have a nice trade recap today. Maybe I just won't edit them anymore. Y'all want me to just not edit my trade recaps anymore? Apparently y'all like the ones where I don't edit it and I just get mad. Apparently people like that. That was hilarious. I don't have 2 different points of control. Pre-market low on the end or pre-market high on the indicator was wrong. It didn't update it. Waiting for a pullback. No, but it looks like the price wants to move upwards now, though. Am I live? Yeah, if y'all want to see the accidentally unedited trade recap I posted yesterday, it's on my daily trade recaps YouTube channel at Team Bull Trading. This is where I post my daily trade recaps. And I just have a lot more random videos. Not gonna lie, that recap had me dying. I know, terrible, bro. So funny. So funny. Don't. I'd almost say I prefer upside now. I like your faith. Appreciate you, bro. Gospel Trading Academy. I like your name. That's dope.
This boring strategy consistently gives me days like this, and this. And it's so simple that even beginners can't mess it up. And not only is it simple, but I trade this strategy live every morning with enough conviction to expense the rest of the retracements on me. That tells me we start by marking out our pre-market.
Don't. On my knees again. Thumb. Let's see here. What's up, guys? What up, what up, what up? See what else they give us. We're retesting pre-market high right now. What Lucid account do I recommend? I recommend the 50K Pro. Personally. I like the 50K Pro account. That's my recommended for y'all. You don't need to get the bigger ones. Unnecessary. I also made a new YouTube video I'm releasing in an hour and a half. More than likely. I actually might release it sooner, like 30 minutes. About my strategy in the DOD system. If y'all been waiting on another long form video from me, it's 16 minutes. Super fire. I just bought a couple of Apex accounts using your code. I appreciate you, Eric. God bless, bro. Appreciate your support, man. Thank you. Tradify or Lucid better? It depends. They're honestly tied at number 2. I've had a lot of love and a lot of respect for both for a long time. Hello, Mr. Gene. Where are you going? Why? Really? That's odd. Oh. Oh. Interesting. Any promo codes for Tradify and Lucid? Yep, code Jdun on both, and I appreciate y'all supporting. Whenever you use code Jdun, I want you to remember DOD. I don't want you just churning and burning and blowing prop accounts. We'll see. This could be a nice entry. We'll see. Trade of 8, yes, and Trade C, yes, not Project X. Nope. All right, guys, here's the deal. The new YouTube video is going to be posted at, we'll make it live in like 30 minutes. Let's see what our analytics say to do. What's my number one prop firm? Apex. Am I done? I'm just chilling right now. I'm about to get off here soon. Should we just drop it now as I get off? It's going to be your homework for today. Just to go watch 16 minutes of education.
What I'm watching for. This is my Grand Slam trade. So let's see what we get. Let's see how the 2-bar plays out. We do our Fibonacci.
Yep. We just ripped it, baby. She is live, baby. Let's go. Home tab. It's my most recent video I just posted on my YouTube channel, Jdun Trades. Oh my gosh. Is that war news? Oh my gosh. Look at that. 50 points. Jeez Louise. That's a candle. Wonder if that was news. Huge. All right, let's go and pick the post your gains winners first. The first winner of a Lucid 50K flex eval is going to be 2JX. Said base hits. Let's go, Team Bull. Thanks at Jdun for leading the way and always teaching me DOD. Congratulations, you won the first Lucid Flex. Lucid Flex. 50K. Let's go. Congrats, bro. He's gotten payouts from Apex before too. That's dope. Send me a picture of it. I love when y'all send me pictures of your accomplishments. You can always count on me to cheer you on. And the second winner from the Discord from the post your gains section is going to be let's just pick it randomly. Let's just scroll up and down. Side to side. Bada bing, bada boom. Boom. Tyler Crook. Lifetime and an office goer. Very good. Tyler Crook Lucid 50K Flex. Congratulations, my guy. 50K Flex account. And he said, yo, I'm down to hit an HQ sesh. Let's go. You are invited to the HQ. Double whammy, baby. Let's go. That's dope. So both of our Lucid Flexes are gone. Oh, we got 3 more Lucid Pros to give away. We got 2 25Ks and 1 50K. Hook a brother from Nebraska up. I do respect Nebraska. I do respect the Cornhusker State. That's where I'm from, baby. Come on now. Oh, boy. Still owe you a Porsche ride along. All right. All right. The first IG story winner. Let's go personally pick one. Let's see here. First winner. Trade if I down? I don't believe so. Let's do the first person to tag me, which was Niche Trades. Winner 1. Winner 1. The first person you've won. 25K Lucid Pro. Let's go. Congratulations, my guy. Let's go with winner 2. Let's pick someone, anyone. Boom. It's Temp K. Winner 2. Congratulations. You got yourself also a 25K Lucid Pro. Okay, Lucid Pro. Let's get them their links. We got one more. We got a 50K to give away finally. As a reminder, you can get 40% off your first 5 accounts with Lucid. With Lucid. And finally, the grand finale. Let's just tap back and forth over and over. Bada bing, bada bing, bada bing, bada bing, bada bing. Let's go finally. Boom! Candlestick Drew Ferg trades. Bro is absolutely ripped too. Bro is for sure choosing DOD with them muscles. Damn, my boy. 50K Lucid Pro. Congratulations. Congratulations, y'all. You didn't get the TikTok to the light goal. I told y'all if you got to 110K, I'd give it to you. Tomorrow, we can try again. YouTube, same deal. YouTube didn't get to the goal either. I love you guys with all my heart. We got to scratch each other's back. We were 100 plus likes short on YouTube and like 20,000 likes short on TikTok. I'm disappointed. But as a reminder, Apex is 90% off. I'm about to mob off, but today is the final day of Apex is 90% off. You can trade up to 20 accounts at a time and use code Jdun. I will always do my best to help you guys learn, level up, and win, baby. As a reminder, too, I just posted my new YouTube video on Jdun Trades, a full video on my strategy. I appreciate you guys going, hitting that like button. Spend 16 minutes in your education, everybody. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. I'll see you guys later. God bless everyone. Have a great rest of your day. Nice trade today, folks. Peace. Bye, everybody. Bless up. Yo, and if you guys want access to Free Friday tomorrow, one more thing for the free live streams. If you guys want access, you can DM me on Instagram for my private stream access inside Team Bull. There's no lag on the Zoom link. You can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. Again, that's JDUN Trades on Instagram. If you guys want access to my private community tomorrow, mention that you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to the private stream tomorrow. Or you can just even say from free live and I'll know what you're talking about. Jdun Trades on Instagram. DM me right now. I'll make sure you have access before tomorrow morning. God bless y'all. Have a great rest of your day. Trade smart, trade safe. Do something positive for yourself. And remember, steps forward every day. Small incremental wins equal massive success over time. God bless you guys. Peace. You can get as many accounts as you'd like with Apex, up to 20 or up to 90% off. Yep. Peace.